Good morning, guys. We are actually looking at beds right now. At some point we need our own bed here. And guess what? Guess how this bed is called? Wait for it. It's called Sara. That's a sign. Actually, we have seen two beds like this is not one of them, but I'm like, hey, look at that. It's called Sara. It's awesome.
Well, we don't have much choice. We need to get a bed, and since I don't want to invest into like a nice bed here, I don't care. I just want to go for the cheapest thing we can find. The only
Says
thing
the
is,
guy who has back issues.
Oh, the actual frame I couldn't care less about. The bed, let's just take the second to last one. It's good enough. So we actually looked at beds for our American home. Sounds silly, but we don't have one yet. But we actually looked into getting a proper bed since we were sleeping on one when we were moving into the old house where it was already there, basically. And it's an IKEA bed, but it has like compartments in the back that I want to adapt and make into proper outlets for USB and power and lights and stuff. But it's one of those things, like, once we do that, we invest into a proper mattress and stuff, because you have to sleep on that for a long time. What?
I actually like those. I don't know why. I love those.
Eh.
Yeah.
Eh.
I like it.
Eh.
We don't normally have that. This is really new. Lederhosen. I mean, for boys and for girls. What the hell? We're not in Bavaria. This is seriously weird.
Cas is having some slight problems adjusting. Because, well, it doesn't seem like, but he's making that sound that you saw yesterday in the vlogs, like a really high, like, meow. It's not even really aggressive, it's just him being scared, I guess. Because he's only used to Finn, and I feel kind of bad about the fact that we have to leave him for now. We're packing our stuff tomorrow at Sarah's dad, and we're moving here for now. Because I feel bad about leaving the kitties alone for longer than an hour. And there are cats, so I feel responsible for them. We might have a slight change of things soon, but that's something we might announce later on. It's definitely going to change a whole bunch for a while, so it's going to be very, very interesting. The only thing we have to find a way is that we have to get another camera, because it's kind of weird if Sarah's somewhere over here and I'm over there, that we have to vlog on one camera. So we might have to find a temporary solution for a camera. Other than that, everything is slowly falling together, at least for now. It sucks that real world stuff is not fun. I wish we could do more things and take you out to all sorts of cool places, but we're not on vacation. We're kind of trying to survive for a while, and that's the hard part about it, because there has to be like a limit where we share things. There has to be like this privacy threshold, kind of, where we need to keep things to ourselves. And that's kind of hard because we like to share everything with you guys, and we shouldn't. So maybe tomorrow we talk to you about things that might affect the vlog a tiny bit. Not in a major way, nothing bad, but we have to make certain decisions for now, up to the point that we can move back to the US. We have to adjust to life here in Europe, which is not something we really thought about, because we were hoping that everything that we were doing and planning would work out, and unfortunately it didn't. That's just part of life, I guess. Being an adult sucks, by the way. Nothing goes your way directly. You have to work for it, and I don't like that. It feels so weird leaving the kitties behind every single time that we've done it so far. I mean, it's only the second day, but still, it feels so weird. Luckily, tomorrow we will be with them at the same house, so I feel less guilty about leaving them in a weird place that they don't know. Ah, silly kitties.
So while Jurre's at home talking to his mom, I'm at the gym. It's like I don't know. I think I've been here for a week now, and I'm really proud of myself because I've been doing it for a week and no break. Just Saturday, but I went for a walk instead, long walk, so that was awesome. And if that machine is working, we'll be doing this. Else, I'm not sure yet. My dad has been sitting over there for a while and is watching the rugby right now. And I was like, are you done? Because I can stop. And he's like, no, I'm just watching the game. So it's over. I just realized I actually have an Instagram for the vlog editors where I was posting like foods and other things, which was pretty cool. Maybe I should start that again. I just had a protein shake at the gym. soya based. When I left, Jurre was talking to his mom. When I came back, Jurre was talking to his mom. He talked.
Talking to my mom and my sister, though.
Well, I saw your sister for 2 seconds.
Well, I mean, you did. I saw her for a half hour at least.
Okay, so in total they had like 3 hours just now.
Yeah. Oh, it's good to talk to them.
That's it?
Yeah, it's good to talk to them. I mean, I don't talk to them all the time. It's because when we leave the vlogs, it feels a little weird. Like, hey, you know most of the things already. Why would you say that?